Welcome back, students. So let's continue the next part of this chapter or the lesson, that is birth, written by A.J. Cronin. In the last video module, we have discussed that Andrew Manson, a doctor who recently passed out and who started his medical practice now, and plus who was working as an assistant to Dr. Edward Page. One day, when he returned to his home after a disappointing evening with Christine, he noticed Joe Morgan was waiting for him because his wife, that she was in a labor, expecting first child after 20 years of the marriage. And when Andrew went there, he understood the situation, he perceived there must be a period of time. It means he had to wait. Then he sat there downstairs, he went downstairs, sitting near the fireplace, and then he sank there in his deep thoughts there. He started thinking about the failures, especially the marriages here. He recalled the episode which he had witnessed at the Cardiff station and still obsessed him morbidly. Then he thought about his doctor, that is Dr. Edward Page, his wife. Then later on he started to think about Christine. It means he thought over what these marriages, that they were dismal failures. But suddenly what happened? Then he heard that the old woman who was opposite to him suddenly addressed him. And her meditation had pursued a different course. Then she understood something different. What the lady said to Andrew Manson, Susan Morgan's mother, that old woman said that Susan said not to give her the chloroform if it would harm the baby. Who said to whom? Susan Morgan's mother. That old woman said to Andrew that my daughter, it means Susan, that she doesn't want the chloroform if it would harm to the baby. She said to Andrew. And she said that moreover that she is awful set upon this child. Set upon means she is in a need of a child, want to have the child at any cost. And Dr. Badge, Miss Dear, her old eyes warmed at a sudden thought. She added in a low tone, "Oh, we all are, I fancy." And she said, "Not only my daughter, but we all are there." Fancy, it means we are in need of this child, we are expecting this child. She said to doctor, who? Susan Morgan's mother, to Andrew. Then what he did, he collected himself with an effort, and then he said that it won't do any harm, don't worry. He said kindly, they will be alright. They means who here? Susan Morgan, it means mother and her baby. It means chloroform, it won't do any harm to them. Then here the nurse voice was heard calling from the top landing. But at the same time, doctor, it means Andrew Manson, he heard the nurse voice calling from the top landing. Then Andrew glanced at the clock. At that time, it was 3:30 in the morning, early morning. He rose and went up to the bedroom. He perceived that he might now begin his work. Perceived means understood that now he could begin his work. So then, after an hour, what happened? After a continuous efforts of an hour elapsed, means past, an hour elapsed past. It was a long and harsh struggle. For what? For the birth of a child. Then as the first streaks of dawn streaks means long thin marks. It means that was the sign, or that was the mark of the day. Along with the first streaks of the dawn strayed past the broken edge of the blind, the child was born, but that was lifeless. The child was born after continuous effort of an hour. It was born, but lifeless there. Lifeless means just like a dead one. The child was born. No movement, nothing, still. As he gazed at the still form, still means no movement, S-T-I-L-L. As he looked at the baby, that child, it was still quiet. A shiver of horror passed over Andrew there. It means he was shocked there. He was frightened when he looked, glanced, gazed at the baby there. After all that he had promised, his face heated with his own exertions, because we know that he was recently that he had passed out, and he started his medical training there under Dr. Edward Page, a new doctor we can say, and this was the first case which he was dealing individually without help of others that he was dealing. This was the first case in his life or of his career. This was the first case there, and if in his first case, if such thing is happening, for example, unfortunately the death of a baby or the death of a mother, so definitely it would disturb his career there, his medical career. So that's why now his face heated with his own exertions, chilled suddenly, made cool. He hesitated, torn between his desire. Now he felt that he had been torn between his desire. Two situations that he had been torn. First, his desire to attempt to resuscitate means here to restore. This is what resuscitate, it means to restore. Whether to restore the child, whether to look at the child, or first to save the child, or to mother. That was the problem. Attempt to resuscitate the child and his obligation towards his mother. It means we can say that he torn between the things here, or the condition or the dilemma was there, whether to save the child first or mother. To whom save first, child or a mother? That was the problem. And both that they were in the need of attention, emergency. So then, who was herself in a desperate state? Desperate means in a hopeless, and say it means she was in a critical condition. Both were in a critical condition. One side, the child, the baby was not moving, and the other side, that is mother, that she was also in a critical condition. So that's why that was the dilemma in front of Andrew, that what to do, whom to save first there. Clear? So children, in this way we have discussed here in this module that finally Andrew started his treatment here. The child was born, but that was lifeless. Now the dilemma comes here. What to do? Whom to save first? Now the rest of the part we will continue in the next video module. Thank you, students.